Hey everyone! If you're looking to upgrade your home with the ultimate outdoor kitchen, especially in sunny Florida, I've got the perfect guide for you. Here are the 9 essential features you need to create your dream outdoor cooking space. First up, the heart of any outdoor kitchen, the outdoor grill. Imagine flipping burgers or grilling steaks right in your backyard without having to dash inside every 5 minutes. It's not just convenient, it's a game changer. Next, you've got to keep those ingredients chilled, right? An outdoor refrigerator is key. This isn't just any fridge. It's built tough to handle the heat, humidity, and yes, even the occasional curious critter. Now, where are you going to prep all that delicious food? On your weather-resistant counters and surfaces. These are designed to withstand the elements and provide ample space for all your chopping and mixing. And let's not forget the outdoor sink. It's all about convenience. Wash veggies, clean hands, or rinse off those BBQ tools without missing a beat. Moving on to the setting of your outdoor kitchen, you'll need some shade, right? A pergola or other shade structures are crucial. They protect you from the intense Florida sun while adding a stylish touch to your space. Comfortable outdoor safe seating is next. Whether you're going for a casual or elegant vibe, the right seating can turn your outdoor kitchen into the perfect gathering spot. For those cooler nights, a fire pit or patio heater can make your outdoor space cozy and inviting. Just imagine the memories you'll make gathered around the fire, sharing stories or toasting marshmallows. Don't forget the ice maker or ice storage. This little addition keeps your drinks frosty and ensures you always have ice on hand for any occasion. And finally, a trash pull-out cabinet. Keeping your space clean and tidy is easier when you can tuck away the trash and recyclables out of sight and away from pests. There you have it. With these 9 essentials, your Florida outdoor kitchen will not only be functional but also a stunning addition to your home. Ready to start building? Just give Viteri Cucine a call to bring your outdoor culinary dreams to life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy grilling.